How to fix Windows stop code errors. First of all, you need to run DISM Command. For that, click Windows search bar at bottom left corner of the screen and you need to type in CMD. Command prompt will be appeared on your screen. Simply you have to open it. Now in the command prompt window, you need to simply type the first command, that is dism/online/cleanup-image/restorehealth. And after that, you need to press enter on your keyboard. And the scan will take time. Once complete, you will see a confirmation message. So once you have followed this step, you need to go through the other step as well. The second step is simply you need to run the SFC command. For that, again, you have to head towards the command prompt section. And then, so now you have to type in another command from the same section. So let's delete the first letter here. And now you have to simply type in this command that says sfc-scan now. Copy it and then paste here. And after that, you need to simply press enter on your keyboard. Now again, this scan will scan your system and repair corrupted files if prompted to report to so and return the command. After that, you need to check disks for errors. After that, you need to type in another command, that is CHKDSK-C and double dots. Copy the command and you simply need to enter here and press enter on your keyboard. And this will scan your drive and identify file system issues. After that, you need to make sure to keep your Windows updated. For that, you need to click on the Start menu and now click on Settings option. Click Windows Updates and enable the option to receive updates for any Microsoft products. Then you need to check for the updates. If there is any, then you need to update your Windows. After that, your Windows stop code errors will be fixed. I hope this guide was helpful. If it was, then do like, share, comment and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.